Hello guys,
Hello.
welcome back to another video. 아집이 먼숙하고 헐리비 pickles is main ingredients for today. So we welcome you with a line of pickles. So
These are from
Becky's Pickles.
There are, as you can see, 5 ingredients, and we are going to try and see which one is the best.
Yeah, I'm so
But
excited.
I'm sure all of it will be good.
Yeah.
Let's
so,
start.
가시로버. Let me open up.
That one is
It's chicken gizzard pickles.
very interesting.
Wow. Try it.
Smells so good. Very chewy. This is nice. Yeah. This is delicious.
This one is dry fish.
Okay, try them. So you guys also can get this from Becky's Pickle. A 5-pack is only for 1,070 rupees. Cabbage is delicious. I like the fact that the gizzards are not too dried up.
Gizzard pickle, bishi balase. It's really yummy.
So let me try the fish. This is dry fish. Dry fish.
Cabbage.
For me, I like the chicken better. Let me also try. Smell is strong. But that is to be expected, right? It's dry fish. It's good only. Not too strong. Usually when it comes to pickle, I'm not gonna eat that much amount of pickle, so I like it spicy, salty, like that. So far, Becky's Pickle, you're doing a great job. Let us try another one. This is buff pickle. Nicely sealed. Do not buy if the seal is opened. Okay, try some buff. And some buff for me. How is it? For me, it's a little bit too dry. This is like dry meat, not pickles. Right, this is like dry meat.
How dry meat pickle?
But I think if you have so much time with you, you can just take your time chewing.
For me, it's good.
I'm saying, if you're a little bit in a hurry, then this is not the perfect pickle. I feel like this one will be juicy. Please open
But
up.
this is chewable. It's really
Yeah.
good.
So far, chicken gizzard is the best. Okay, let's see this one. This is radish. It's gonna be crunchy. Hopefully. If it is crunchy, then Becky's Pickle. I'm gonna give you 1,000 thumbs up. The smell. Some of you may not like this smell, which is quite normal.
I'm dying to try.
Yeah. This one will be good. Please be good. Please be good and crunchy. Please be
Wait,
crunchy.
I'll be the first one.
Please be crunchy.
You took my piece.
Oh, I can hear it.
I love this.
Yes,
I love this.
Yes, I like this. It is sour also. Crunchy. Salt is also fine.
Radish pickle, bishi balase.
Yeah, goes so well with the meat. Who wants to try the last one? It's pork.
It's
Pork.
gohori laga pickle ase.
I already like the look. The way it looks. It's red and it's neat. How is it?
Very good.
Yeah. This is good. This is good. You try it. It's
Housefull.
comparatively not as dry as the buff. So I think I like the pork better.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I don't want pickles to be this dry, seriously.
Is it too dry
Personally.
again?
Mm-hmm.
It depends on person to person, but
Yeah.
as for me, it's really
But
good.
I'm sure a lot of you will like the way it is nicely dried.
Becky's Pickle. I really love it. We will go again for this pickle.
Yes, sure.
I wish we know how to make it like this.
Mm.
Many of you might have known about this one, but we will put the description and we'll put the details in the description. You can also try it out if you want,
Yeah, go and order.
because it's really yummy. We're not lying. That's why we wanted you to try it out as well.
So they have more varieties of pickle or only this?
There's lots of, I think. I mean, even the veg, no? So many. This time we purchase non-veg more than the veg. We only purchase one veg, that is the radish.
Mm-hmm.
Becky's suggestion to us was the radish, which is an excellent choice.
Yeah, from the veg, no?
Yeah.
Even me, I personally feel that the radish will be good, and it's true.
Everything tastes so perfect.
Yeah.
The pickle, the cabbage, the meat, the rice, everything.
Thank you so much once again, Becky's Pickle. We
We love you.
yes, we really do. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for joining us in this mukbang again.
Alright, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye.